Hey, hello friends, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review EcoAce relief spray, or you can say this spray. This is a tetanus relief spray and it's a legit product or it's a scam product. You should buy this product or not. What are the problems you are going to face if you are going to purchase this product? Okay friends, in this video we will discuss about all the information. So friends, let's get started. First of all, it's a legit product or it's a scammy product. As you can see on your screen, the trust score of this website where this product is listed, or you can say where this product is selling. The trust score of this website is 100 out of 100. That is a good indication. But this website is not too old. It's only 1 year old website. So it's indicate it's a very newly launched website. And if we talk about you should buy this product or not, as you can see over here, the name of the product EcoEasy Tetanus Relief Spray, this name is copied from different brands. As you can see on Amazon and as you can see on ebay.com, the same name of same product is listed over here. As you can see, EcoEase Tetanus Inhaler, and on amazon.com and also Walmart, EcoEase Tetanus Inhaler. Okay friends, so our conclusion is yes, you can purchase this product, but if this product will not work you are going to regret after using this product, because the price of this product is also so high. So our recommendation, so please don't buy this product, and you should try some alternate of this product, because this is not so genuine brand and maybe this product will not work for you. So our conclusion is you should not go with this product. It's not a legit product, it's a copy product. So hope now you understand what you have to do. I'm going to end this video over here. Bye friends, thank you.